Hi, welcome to this 5-minute review on the 2020 Honda CRV LX with new features, new styling, new turbo engine, multi-information display. Alright, let's get started. Just when you thought it couldn't be done, America's best-selling SUV gets an upgrade. The 5th generation of the CRV now has new facelift with a new grille, newly restyled wheels, new trim on the back end, a new engine, and a lot of safety features that are now standard, including forward collision warning, lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control with low speed follow. More details to come in a minute. The grille has been changed in front. It has a more aggressive look now. LED running daylights are standard and still retains that nice sleek look that it's had for the last 3 years. Spoiler on the back is standard. Black outline taillights. Look at that grille. Look at that aggressive hood. The chrome touch, the black front bumper. Restyled 17-inch alloy wheels. One of the greatest things about the CRV that it's always had is the rear doors open 90 degrees to the side of the vehicle. A lot of people don't realize this until you actually look at it. But the fact that these doors open so wide makes access so much easier into the vehicle, especially if you have a car seat back there. Armrest with cup holders is standard. Very comfortable seats. Minimal hump in the back so that a 5th passenger is still very comfortable. The seats are very ergonomically designed, very comfortable. Nice bolsters. They're actually the same pattern in all the trims, except that these one are fabric. There are higher trim models that have leather, of course. Nice center console with an armrest. Again, standard. Everything you see on this car is standard to the package. There are no options. Nice finish and quality of materials inside. Also, the trunk opening allows you for the largest space in a midsize SUV. This has always had the most interior space compared to the size of the vehicle. A great feature about it is a pull lever will drop the seat backs completely flat, allowing for maximum storage capability where you can transport really large objects in the back of this car. There's also 2.7 cubic feet of storage space underneath where you can put like your jumper cables or gloves or anything like that. Getting to the front and under the hood, we now find the 1.5 liter turbo engine as a standard on every model in the Honda line. This engine develops 190 horsepower and still yields 27 mpg city and 33 mpg for highway gas mileage, which is the best in class in this segment. Combine this with a very comfortable and informative interior on the vehicle. You get to the MID, or multi-information display, inside the car, which allows you to see multiple functionality. It's now effectively a digital display rather than an analog, whereby you can look at it and turn on things like forward collision warning, or lane departure, or lane keep assist. You can also scroll through different menus, and you can select if you want to see how many miles range you have, your driver attention span, traction control on the vehicle, settings for maintenance, and a lot of other features that you can also adjust and customize to your personal liking. Moving on to the audio display, which also features a compass for directionality. The radio is fully digital with memory positions, and it includes the backup camera, which is standard. Moving on, you will find a climate control unit rather than an air conditioner, which means you can set the temperature and leave it alone. It will automatically keep the temperature there whether it's hot or cold outside. Electric parking brake, brake hold feature, USB port for music or for charging your phone. This still remains one of the nicest interiors in a car with all your controls at your fingertips so you don't have to reach out to get to anything. 2020 Honda CRV LX. Lots of new features, new engine, new safety features with everything standard. I'd like to thank Castle Honda for this vehicle. And I hope you like this video. Please hit like, subscribe, hit the bell, and you'll get notified when we get another video up. Thanks for watching.